fish and he's facing the wrong way and makes it look up.
Yeah.
Somehow I gotta try to
Well, you're gonna get his head in the net.
You're just gonna have to keep.
I'm gonna have to come around the side of you.
Pull over that way.
Yeah, so.
He might freak out. Keep going.
Let's get his head in the net.
Keep going. I can't do it. I can't do it. Pull him. Pull him. I can't do it like that.
I know. Go forward. Look, I'm letting him. He's not hooked that well. He's got one hook in the tail.
Okay, where's he at?
Keep going forward. He's going straight down.
Okay. Forward or good? Neutral?
Just keep going forward a little bit more. He's still pretty much right behind the boat, straight down. Splash through the face.
Well,
all right.
I told you. He's not going to cooperate very well, and with the boat sitting still like this,
yeah,
I got nothing to help me get an angle shot on him. In other words,
yeah, I know.
I can't scoop him because I got no angle shot on him.
I know.
He's tiring out.
We'll get him.
Take your time and don't.
He's not tired. That's the problem.
He's tiring out though. He's upside down and he's tired. He's getting tired. The best thing is to tire him out.
Yep. Well, I know. Every time he runs and he doesn't get away, we're one step closer to getting him. My face is dripping wet. He splashed me. David, put it in neutral, Phil.
Just help him wear him out. It doesn't help if this net's close. Bad. It doesn't help me at all that way. It's close. If it was a regular net, I could dip them better. I could have dipped them better. But this thing, the net stays on the surface, so it's like, it makes it super hard to get a good shot on it. The net's closed, you know. I was trying to hope to do was to get him to go swim into the net. That's what I was kind of.
I thought maybe if I pulled him aside, you could get to his head, but then again, he's not gonna.
He's gonna see that net and probably take off.
Yeah. Boy, I would have to be quick to loosen that drag up when he took off from the back of the boat.
Well, if he comes up close again, what I want you to do is back up and pull that towards it and pull him over that way, so I can try to get like this. So I can get like this, okay?
I know.
So what I want you to do is, when he gets up here, try to get him past me a little bit.
We still must get his downward out of the way. But it's kind of in the way for me to do that. Since it's taking so long to get it anyways.
What I want you to do?
I'm at the whole downrigger.
No.
Well, I'm just saying, because
He's right here. What I want you to do though is try to pull him past, that way a little bit towards. I'm going to step down here.
Hang on,
let me get down here. Have you try to pull him this way, like that.
You ready? All right.
Like that. Keep going, and then pull that way. Pull. Keep going.
Jesus, criminy. It's okay, it's all good. Pull the net out of the water. You can go forward. Oh my God.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Go forward, yeah. Just go. He's got so much freaking energy.
Okay.
Keep going, because even though if I get him up, he's going to be pretty close to the darn boat.
Maybe Ronnie's getting a little more tired, but
Alright, that's good.
We can just get him to lay.
He's still running now.
Lay a little bit.
Just lay
his
down
hand
some
is
way.
like, I can't have this.
Yeah, I know. No, you did good. I'm glad. I wasn't sure if he was in a net when he took off.
Well, I was kind of hoping he was going to swim into the net.
See, if that hook, there's a free hook. If that hook hooks the net, then he's gone.
Yeah.
So, there's the little, the big wrist back here. And look, he's still freaking, he's still fighting.
Sure, Al. He's all of 20.
the tail.
I still think if you could try to give me a shot so I can scoop like this on him. Follow me?
Yeah, I know.
You need to get him past me. There's no way I can scoop him like this. I need to be able to scoop him like this.
I know. You need to get him by the head first.
Yeah, I need to get him.
Otherwise, this is going to take off, and then he won't be able to scoop it out of the net.
But you know, if he's tired enough, then it'll give me a chance to grab him.
We do need to tire him out. That's
the
only way we got a chance for this guy.
Well, yeah.
The way he's hooked up. Still like swimming away a little bit, tugging. He's got more energy when he's got his head free. He's not being pulled sideways by his head. I think he's got more freaking stamina or energy or something. He's taking a lot longer to tire out. I almost might be better if I can gaff him.
No, just get him in the net. He's big.
I know. Getting him in it, that's the tricky part.
If I just gaff him. And then he starts flailing.
Yeah, you're right.
Think about that.
Flailing
Rip
like
off
shit.
the fucking gaff. Right?
Now we can see it again now.
The best thing you can try to do is try to pull him like this, Al. Like that.
Yeah.
Get him over here. Then try to pull him away from me so I can get in front of him.
Still not tired out.
He's got to be close. I'm not going to even try to get him if I can't get a good shot.
He's still swimming.
All right. He's not
he
ready.
goes.
He's not ready. When
He's
he comes up and just lays there for a minute, then he's ready.
I know.
He's not ready yet. He's a big fish. He's 25.
Yeah, I know. He is a big fish.
Yeah.
I see. Already native too.
Over there.
That ball's swimming in the
Water. What happened?
That's that Neah handle for me, rock. Jeez, still taking more line out. We need to go forward probably to get it away from the boat.
We are.
All right. Keep going forward.
I will.
He's still going down, down, down. He's like,
Well, he didn't even know what was going on at first. It's kind of what's going
turn
on.
right a little bit.
Okay.
All right, that's probably good at the moment. He's still throwing more line out. You see more and more line out.
Turning right a little bit. I want you to try to pull on the line. I want you to
He's just not tiring out.
He will.
Every time he gets service, he hits the service and he starts taking off. Yeah, he's still not. He's still fighting. He's still fighting. I'm not tired out yet. Slow.
Slow. Pull him that way. Yeah. Like that. No, to the left. All right.
Not ready yet. He's getting tired because he didn't pull any line out. So he's right here still.
No, just pull it that way. Pull it that way so I can try and get a front shot of him. Okay? Follow me. Yeah, like that. Now pull him to the left. Keep pulling.
Hang on.
Pull.
Yeah! Oh, baby!
Native too, man.
Woo!
Big native.
Oh my God!
Nice. Just relax.
Okay, here we go. And here's the...
That's 28 all day. That's big. It's 28 all day. We need to knock him out.
Yeah.
We need to knock him out. Here, grab the club.
Look at the girth of it.
I know, I said he's too big for the cooler.
One of those freaking,
He's a frickin' monster, dude.
Fraser River
He's
frickin'.
32.
He's a Fraser frickin'
He's
river.
all of 32.
I need pictures.
Right. Take care of the net, bro. Oh, please.
I know.
Shit.
This is 40.
Take a picture of it. Okay, you got me?
I can't even get the whole. Hang on. Okay, I got that. So I need you to get me.
I know, just
hang on.
He's heavy. Holy moly, Batman. 2 hands, be careful of the gills.
Yeah.
Just hold on.
Yeah, well, go ahead and wash your hands off. Oh my God, this is the biggest fish I've ever caught.
Release him. We gotta release him, he's native.
No, we don't.
I'm just kidding. Okay, where's the button? Right here?
Yeah. Turn it sideways. And back up as far as you can if I had to get him in the picture.
Just be patient, bro.
It's heavy.
I'm not a professional.
Please. Just hold it down and wait a second to do another one.
Not bad. I'm gonna get another one.
Okay.
Not bad. That's a good one.
Let me see what I got.
I got 3.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
Oh my God.
I know.
Whoa.
Oh my God. That's bigger than 32.
This is a stuffer. This is the trophy. This is the trophy fish I told you we're gonna catch.
No, wait, that's too big for the cooler. I already told you. We gotta figure out something
Well, we're
else.
gonna have to just go in.